After a long time in the market, Kelly has brought various products to meet customers' needs in many different segments. To make it easier for you to find the tire that's right for you, I've rounded up some of Kelly's best picks to choose from. There are a variety of Kelly tires review, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best Kelly tires review from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Kelly Edge AS All-Season Radial. It is a premium design tire for SUV crossover, sedan, and coupe. This model feels pretty good for everyday driving. On dry runways, it gives optimal response, traction, and grip. Even when I push the tire harder, it maintained a steady performance. I was also quite pleased with its wet performance. It is well waterproof to keep a strong bond with the road surface. Even when accelerating on slippery roads, this model was surprisingly stable to me. However, when cornering, the wheel spins more. Its soft sidewalls are not stiff enough to not deform. Even so, compared to a reasonably affordable price, Kelly Edge AS has done the near impossible. Number 2. Kelly Edge HP All-Season Radial Tire. Kelly does not bring much innovation to the design of Edge HP. It's like the cheap old tires found on coupes and sedans. However, the tire experience brought is unique. Its ride was a lot quieter and smoother than I expected. The not-so-refreshing spike blockchain already provides efficient noise handling. Meanwhile, tiny vibrations are handled quite well, minimizing transmission to the cabin. Edge HP also operates stably and impressively on dry and wet roads. This model even supports handling when cornering quite well, which sometimes reminds me of performance tires. Finally, it would help if you considered using this tire model, because the tread life is quite durable. The manufacturer has equipped it with a warranty service of up to 45,000 miles. Not many cheap tire models receive such a reasonable warranty distance as above. Number 3. Kelly Edge All-Season Radial. If you are looking for an affordable light truck tire, the Kelly Edge AT is worth considering. With Edge AT, you do not have to spend too much money to own an all-terrain vehicle. Despite being a tire model for a limited budget, the Edge AT has some remarkable features. One is chip-resistant compound and tread, similar to famous Goodyear models like the all-terrain Adventure. So, it has impressive endurance and performance for off-roading and highway driving. If you are not a passionate off-road driver, the features that Kelly equipped are more than enough to meet your needs. In addition, you can also use Kelly Edge AT to move in harsh weather conditions, such as heavy rain or light snow. It does not provide the same excellent performance as specialized tires. However, at least it is still quite resistant to light snow, conquering steep slopes and deep puddles. Number 4. Kelly Edge AS All-Season Radial. One of the advantages of the Safari TSR that surprised me is its grip on both highways and rough terrain. On the highway, the stone pattern tire has maximized its power. I had no trouble accelerating with distinctive-looking tires like the Safari TSR. Meanwhile, Safari TSR delivers impressive performance on harsher terrain, such as mud, sand, and gravel. It cleans itself with a reliable grip to help me avoid getting stuck on rough terrain. This model is also quite durable even when I regularly drive off-road. This strength can be from the exclusive rim guard to help protect the wheel better. Number 5. Kelly Edge HT All-Season Radial Tire. Edge HT doesn't offer as impressive all-terrain handling as the Safari TSR. Instead, it supports pretty well for daily driving needs. It offers good grip, wear, and responsive handling on dry terrain. Meanwhile, it effectively drains the water on slippery roads, ensuring grip is maintained. Driving the Edge HT during the rainy season, I never lost control or had trouble handling it. Durability is also a commendable advantage of this light truck tire. I greatly appreciate the sturdy shoulder design that the manufacturer provides. This feature is quite similar to high-end tire models, promising to provide impressive treadwear life. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.